Hi, I'm Chef Christopher Koetke. U.S. high oleic soybean oil is a top quality and versatile oil produced from soybeans sustainably grown in the United States. In fact, the United States is the leading country in the world to grow high oleic soybeans. In this video, I'm going to make crispy, crunchy French fries. Take a look at this premium oil as a deep fry oil. High oleic soybean oil is a liquid oil, which means that it's easy to pour into a deep fryer as opposed to some of the solid or semi-solid fats. It also makes it a lot easier to filter. So let's begin with one of the most popular deep fried items, French fries. Now, French fries have a very subtle flavor, and what's important about this oil is that it has a neutral flavor. If this oil is off or has strong flavors, it's going to make these French fries really taste terrible. In addition, this oil has a very high smoke point, which is a great thing for French fries. Drop them into the oil, 350 degrees or 175, and this is what most restaurants do so many times every day. Once the fries are golden brown, just like that, take them out. We're going to let them drain. Now, this is really where the neutral flavor, the clean flavor of high oleic soybean oil really shows its stuff. Because now what do I have here? I have the flavor of French fries that have that great earthy flavor and nothing else. A little bit of salt or any other seasoning that you wish to put on the fries. You can sprinkle on Parmesan and fresh herbs or spicy chili powder to personalize your fries. And they're ready to eat.